Hyundai just did something that Kona owners have been waiting years for. It released a completely redesigned generation that addresses every major complaint in one shot. If the Kona has kept losing to rivals on your shortlist, no hybrid option, dated interior, design that didn't quite deliver, the 2027 model is here to settle that argument. Most people assume a subcompact crossover at this price point has to make trade-offs, but the 2027 Hyundai Kona is solving every owner complaint and doing it without the dramatic price increase most buyers would expect. Redesign. The Kona has always held its ground in a crowded segment, but a new generation is on the way, and the depth of what's changing goes well beyond a styling update. Instead of a typical mid-cycle facelift, Hyundai is going all the way. Internally codenamed SX3, the next generation Kona is undergoing a full architectural overhaul, not a surface-level refresh. The exterior draws its inspiration from Hyundai's Crater concept, a design study that stopped traffic at every auto show it attended. The production version is expected to feature the seamless horizon lamp, a signature horizontal LED strip running across the front fascia, delivering a considerably wider and more assertive stance than anything the current model has managed. Beyond that lamp, the changes run deeper. The hood line is rising, the front fascia is becoming more vertical, and the hatchback-like silhouette is giving way to something that reads as a proper, rugged SUV. Spy shots confirm a crisp, slash-cut roofline, sharp detailing that adds depth without cluttering the design. The pillars and greenhouse sections follow the same angular logic end-to-end, and the overall proportions make clear this is a vehicle with a completely different identity than the model it's replacing. High-trim variants will incorporate parametric pixel lighting elements, aligning the Kona with Hyundai's Ioniq EV sub-brand. A star within a ring wheel design on prototype vehicles reinforces the same story. From every angle, the Kona is arriving at a level it has never reached before. A sharper design gives the Kona a stronger first impression, but first impressions only get a buyer so far. What keeps them is what happens every single time they pull out of the driveway, and that's exactly where Hyundai is making its boldest move yet. Focus on hybrids. With the new generation, the Kona's powertrain story is shifting in a meaningful way, and it starts with a problem Hyundai has been sitting on for years. Hyundai has offered a Kona hybrid in international markets for some time. American buyers never got one, and that gap has pushed more than a few potential customers toward competitors with hybrid options already in the lineup. The 2027 generation is closing that gap for good, with a powertrain capable of going head-to-head with anything currently in this class. The hybrid setup is a 1.6-liter unit, refined from the all-new Seltos for better efficiency. Alongside the improved fuel economy, it comes with a feature worth understanding. One of the most common frustrations for campers, outdoor enthusiasts, or anyone working a remote job site is arriving with no power source in sight, no outlet, no generator, nothing within reach. That's exactly what Vehicle-to-Load V2L solves, turning the Kona into a portable power source on demand, supplying electricity to tools, devices, or outdoor equipment straight from the vehicle. It's a capability rarely offered at this price point, and it gives the Kona a practical edge that gas-only rivals simply cannot match. Standard output lands at 154 combined horsepower. That number tells part of the story, but the electric motor's low-end torque delivery changes how the vehicle actually performs day to day. Anyone who has navigated a front-wheel drive crossover through a wet highway or an icy morning knows exactly where those limitations show up. That's why the electric all-wheel drive variant is worth paying attention to. It adds a small rear electric motor, pushing total output to 178 horsepower and bringing genuine all-weather traction to a segment that has largely abandoned it. So, the hybrid is finally coming to the US, but Hyundai isn't stopping there because the Kona Electric is also returning to American dealerships, and after its time away from the market, it's coming back with something to prove. Kona Electric is coming back! After stepping away from the US market, the Kona Electric is returning and coming back to the position it originally established, the most affordably priced electric subcompact available. A single 133 horsepower electric motor drives the front wheels through a 48.6 kilowatt-hour battery pack with an EPA estimated range of 200 miles. Buyers choosing this version aren't chasing class-leading range numbers. They're after reliable, affordable electric transportation for daily use, and the Kona Electric delivers that at a price undercutting nearly every direct competitor in the class. EPA efficiency estimates land at 131 miles per gallon equivalent city and 105 miles per gallon equivalent highway, figures that outperform several higher-priced rivals. DC fast charging takes the battery from 10 to 80% in approximately 45 minutes. SE trim comes standard with navigation-based cruise control, dual-zone automatic climate control, and a Wi-Fi hotspot. Automated emergency braking and lane departure warning with lane keeping assist are both standard. Rear legroom measures 36.4 inches, more generous than several direct competitors, while cargo capacity reaches 26 cubic feet with the rear seats up and 64 cubic feet with them folded. Workable, honest numbers that make this a genuine daily driver, not just an efficient one. The powertrain lineup is the strongest this nameplate has ever carried, but a great powertrain in a cabin that hasn't kept pace will only take buyers so far. And that's exactly where the 2027 Kona is making its next big statement. Interior design. The outgoing Kona's cabin was functional, but the 2027 model is bringing an interior that changes expectations for what this price range can deliver. The design concept is called the bridge-style layout, and it starts with the center console. The gear selector is relocating from the center tunnel entirely, replaced by a column-mounted shift-by-wire stalk. That's the same approach used in the Ioniq 5. Anyone who has spent time in a subcompact crossover knows how fast the storage options run out. The tunnel eats up floor space, the console is tight, and there's rarely anywhere to put a bag without it ending up in someone's lap. The bridge-style layout solves that directly. With the tunnel cleared, a large, open storage zone opens underneath the console, the kind of practical, usable space this segment almost never offers. Two 12.3-inch displays are integrated into a seamless panoramic unit at the top of the dash, one for instruments, one for infotainment, putting the Kona's tech package on par with what Hyundai offers in considerably more expensive vehicles. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Wi-Fi hotspot are all standard. Ambient lighting adds a level of personalization that typically requires stepping into a premium segment, while refined materials and elevated trim details push the cabin well past what the previous generation ever managed. The design is new, the powertrain lineup covers more ground than ever, and the cabin is the best Hyundai has ever put into a subcompact crossover, so the only thing left is when it arrives and what it's going to cost. Release date and price. The all-new 2027 Hyundai Kona is expected at US dealerships in the second half of this year. Hyundai has not confirmed a specific launch date, but all available signals point to a debut well within the calendar year. A modest price increase is coming, but nothing dramatic. The outgoing Kona starts just above $27,000, and the new model will carry a small upward adjustment. Hyundai's commitment to keeping this SUV accessible is not changing. The gas model, the hybrid, and the Kona Electric will each sit at distinct price points, giving buyers genuine options without pushing the lineup into premium territory. The Kona Electric in particular is targeting a return to its title as the most affordable electric subcompact in the US. That's a position worth defending, and Hyundai is clearly planning to keep it. When you put it all together, the 2027 Hyundai Kona reads like a direct response to everything the previous generation got wrong. The exterior overhaul, crater concept inspired, anchored by the seamless horizon lamp and a sharper, more assertive SUV stance, gives the Kona a road presence it has never had before. The hybrid powertrain, long overdue for US buyers, arrives with 154 combined horsepower, V2L capability, and an electric all-wheel drive variant pushing 178 horsepower for those who need it. The Kona Electric reestablishes itself as the most affordable electric subcompact on the market with solid efficiency numbers and a practical cabin that outperforms its price of admission. And that cabin, bridge-style layout, dual 12.3-inch displays, a large open storage zone, and elevated materials throughout is the strongest interior this nameplate has ever seen. A modest price adjustment is coming, but given everything the 2027 model is bringing to the table, the value on offer makes that an easy trade-off. The 2027 Hyundai Kona isn't just improved, it's a different vehicle entirely. But even with updates and upgrades like these, no one can guarantee improved sales figures. Simply, the segment is full of excellent options, such as the 2027 Subaru Crosstrek you can check out in our next video. Legendary all-wheel drive system, practical interior, adventure-ready design, and brand-new hybrid powertrain are just some of the reasons why this model is widely considered the most complete in the class.